Hello friends, today we are starting our new channel AK Study Point। तो आज मैं आपको स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ कि एक नया चैप्टर क्लास 6 का 11.1 एक्सरसाइज। चैप्टर नेम इज़ अलजेब्रा। सो डियर, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे आपको किस तरीके से सॉल्व करे जाते हैं और किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करना है हमें। तो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 11.1। सो अगर आपको चैनल अच्छा लगे और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हैं और लाइक भी कर सकते हैं। नाउ स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर 1 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इन दिस फाइंड द रूल विच गिव्स द नंबर ऑफ मैचस्टिक रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द फॉलोइंग मैचस्टिक पैटर्न। यूज अ वेरिएबल टू राइट द रूल। सब क्वेश्चन 1A इज गिवन इन विच T pattern is used. In this we have to find the how many matchstick is used in this. So dear, we find that there are two matchstick in this we get. This one is the first and second is this one. So two matchstick is we found in this. Now if we talk about the second B pattern, so A pattern of letter of Z, letter Z as Z, in which we how many matchstick we get from this. तो अगर आप देखें तो इसमें अगर फर्स्ट मैचस्टिक ये है, सेकंड दिस वन एंड थर्ड वन दिस वन, तो जेड में ओनली 3 मैचस्टिक यूज़ की गई हैं। तो इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको आंसर यहाँ पे 3 आंसर आएगा। अगर आप देखें, अगर आपको कोई पैटर्न आता है सी, सपोज सी क्वेश्चन कहता है कि आपको ए पैटर्न ऑफ लेटर्स यू एज यू in this way, this is written. So how many matchstick is used in this? So first is this one, second and third. So in U there are 3 matchstick is used, so answer is 3. So if we talk about the V, then question number D, if we talk about the question number D, then we found that V is the pattern in which we found that this is the matchstick, and we found this one is also matchstick. So this is so there are 2 matchstick used in V part. So agar if we talk about the E pattern, so if we talk about the E pattern, then we will found that this is the part of this question. If we talk about this one, so we use how many matchstick in this E? So 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 matchstick is used in this. So answer is clear from this. So there are 5 matchstick is used in E part. So similarly same question we have to attempt, and we get answer from this. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की बात करते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में पूछा गया है कि कैडेट्स आर मार्चिंग इन परेड, देर आर 5 कैडेट्स इन अ रो, what is the rule which gives number of cadet given in the number of row? Use n for number of rows. So क्वेश्चन में गिवन है हमें अब in one rows answer. If we put answer, then if we found in first row there are 5 cadets. In first row 5 cadets we found. So if we talk about the n number of rows, so n number of rows, there are many rows in which we put 5 cadets in every row. So n number of rows means n rows. So if we if we talk about this answer, so we will count the how many answer. Question is the number of row used, how many which gives the number of cadet given in the number of row. So what is the rule? So if we talk about this rule, so there are 5 cadet in a per row. So if we will multiply with n, so we will get 5n is the answer. So 5n will be the answer of this. Next question, if you talk about the next question, the question number 4 is there are 50 mangoes in the box. How will you write the total number of mangoes in term of number of boxes? So already a message given है, use B for number of boxes. So if there are 50 mangoes in a box, answer is 50 mangoes in a box. Then there are B number of box. Total number of box is B. Total number of box is B. So we will multiply 50 into B. So we will found that 50B is the answer, because we have to multiply this, because there are 50 mangoes in a box only. So we have to multiply, there are B boxes total number. So 50 into B. So 50B is the correct answer. So next question is question number 5th. The teacher distribute 5 pencil per student. Can you tell me how many pencil are needed given the number of student? Use S for the number of student. If we talk about the 5 pencil per student, तो 5 पेंसिल पर यूज़ की डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की जा रही हैं 5 पेंसिल पर स्टूडेंट. सो 5 पेंसिल पर स्टूडेंट यूज़ की जा रही है और टोटल नंबर स्टूडेंट हैं S. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इज S. सो हाउ मैनी पेंसिल विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड? सो 5 पेंसिल पर स्टूडेंट हैं, तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 5 इंटू S, because total number is S student. So answer is 5S. So this is the answer of this question. 5S is the answer of this question. So next question, if you talk about the 6th question, a bird fly 1 kilometer in a 1 minute. Can you express distance covered by bird in term of its flying time in a minute? Use T for flying time in a minute. So if we talk about the bird flying कर रही है, bird flying 1 किलोमीटर इन 1 मिनट, ओनली 1 मिनट में या 1 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है. सो वी हैव टू यूज़ टी फॉर फ्लाइंग मिनट. सो टोटल फ्लाइंग टाइम इज़ टी. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 1 किलोमीटर इंटू टी. सो वी विल गेट टी 1 टी आंसर, और यू कैन से द टी आंसर, बिकॉज दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. So if we can say that the distance is covered by bird is T only, because 1 T is similar to T. So this is the answer of this question. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 कहता है कि राधा इज ड्राइंग अ डॉट रंगोली. राधा इज ड्राइंग डॉट रंगोली. A beautiful pattern of lining joining dots with chalk powder. She has a 9 dots. She has a 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are the 9 dots in a row. These are the row, and there are 9 dots in this. So how many dots will be a rangoli have for R rows? So there are R rows. We don't know R number is how many. Infinity, we can say the infinity. So R number of rows is, it means there are 9 rows in a 9 dots in a 1 point in a 1 row. So we can say that how many dots will be in her rangoli have for R rows. So how many dots are there if there are 8 rows? So 8 rows there are. If we talk about first one part, then we can say that 9 into R. So this is the 9R answer. First part. If we talk about the 8 rows, so there are 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 dots, and there are R number of rows. So we can say that there are 8 into R. So 8R हो गया है. This is the answer of this question. So if you talk about the if there are 10 rows, then there are 10 into R. So we can say the 10R answer. So this is the simplest question, and this is a part of algebra. So we can say that this is the easiest question. If you want to see other question also, so please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.